my name is Kat Keeling. I am here today with Satin Ice, representing a wonderful fondant brand. I have my own little bakery in Tucson, Arizona called Treehouse Cakes, and I feel very lucky today to be able to show you how to use some of our great products. The great thing about Satin Ice is that it is gluten-free, it's nut-free, allergen-free. It's really great for covering your cakes because not only is it effective and easy to use, whether you're a beginner or if you're way up there in the professional league, it's also great because it is beyond unbelievably tasty. It's just really good. So today we're showing you that we have these beautiful boxes of the fondant. We also have smaller version if you're going to be working on little figurines or covering cookies. We have shown you that you can use them to make cake toppers, or you can cover an entire cake. Pretty much any project that you're going to be tackling, Satin Ice is going to be there for you. So today we're going to be showing you how to cover one of our basic sugar cookies. We have these cute little molds from Marvelous Molds that we're going to be using. I've got some of our pretty pink shade out here, and we're just going to knead it for a little bit. It doesn't take long to get it back to that perfect stage. As soon as you pull it out of the box, it is ready to go. So as you can see, we only kneaded it for a moment. I'm going to take my rolling pin and just gently roll it back and forth and get it set to go. Only going to roll it out a little bit because we're going to set it into our mold, which we're going to dust with just a little bit of cornstarch or confectioner sugar. Once you have that set and ready to go, you're going to gently place your fondant into it, and you're going to roll it again, applying medium pressure. Once you have definitely gotten that pushed down into the mold, you're going to gently flip it over and peel the mold back, and voila! It's that easy to make something that looks like it has a lot of detail, easy to use, so cute. We're then going to take this cookie cutter and match it to the size of our cookie, make sure it works. And we're going to cut out this cute little design. Wiggle it just a little bit. You're going to take away your excess. Gently lift this up and place it onto the cookie. You can use your finger just to smooth that out. If you live in a climate that needs a little bit of moisture, you can put a little bit of corn syrup or water underneath. But as you can see, maybe 30 seconds, we made a really simple, cute, adorable, but yet still detailed design. You can mass produce these for parties, all kinds, kids, bachelorette parties, wedding showers, anything you can think of. As you can see right here, we did the same thing with our cute little bears. We just used the same cookie cutter we made the cookie with. We also have our cute, very infamous little sugar cookie sweet tooth. We've had a lot of people making them and having fun with that. So you can pretty much get as creative as you can think of. We have a sloth here who's laying in his sloffy, which was slow brewed. But even our coffee beans were made out of our chocolate fondant, which is the other great thing. We've got 22 colors, all of which are a delicious vanilla flavored. Our chocolate one tastes like a good, yummy candy. And it's just really good because it adds to the flavor of your cake and doesn't take away. It's not your grandma's fondant. So we're really glad that you were able to take a moment to check out our product, and we're able to see just how easy and fun it is to use such a delicious thing that will kind of spice up any party you add it to. Thank you.